Niagara Falls is a popular tourist destination located in Ontario, Canada, known for its stunning waterfalls and beautiful natural surroundings. Here's some information about Niagara Falls. It is made up of three waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Falls is the largest and most popular of the three, and is located on the Canadian side of the border. The Niagara River, which feeds the falls, is the international border between Canada and the United States. You can view the falls from either country, but the Canadian side is known for having the best views. It is a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and fishing. There are also many attractions nearby, including casinos, museums, and theme parks. Is accessible by car, bus, or train, and there are many hotels and restaurants in the area to accommodate visitors. It is located about a 1.5-hour drive from Toronto and a 5-hour drive from New York City. Hornblower Niagara Falls is a Canadian company that offers boat tours of Niagara Falls. Formerly known as Maid of the Mist, the company was renamed in 2014 when a new operator took over the Canadian side of the falls. The boat tour takes visitors up close to the base of the falls, where they can feel the mist and hear the roar of the water. The tour also provides stunning views of the falls and the surrounding area. Hornblower Niagara Falls offers several tour options, including daytime, evening, and VIP tours. The VIP tour includes a private tour of the engine room, access to an exclusive VIP viewing area, and a commemorative souvenir. The boat tours operate seasonally, typically from late April to early November, depending on weather conditions. Tickets can be purchased online or at the ticket booths near the Hornblower Niagara Cruises Welcome Center. Overall, the Hornblower Niagara Falls boat tour is a popular and exciting way to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of Niagara Falls. The falls are illuminated at night, creating a beautiful sight for visitors. There are also fireworks displays throughout the year. In summary, Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts millions of visitors each year. Whether you're looking to explore the great outdoors, indulge in some entertainment, or simply take in the stunning scenery, Niagara Falls is a must-visit destination.